Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you some cool Safari features on iOS 14. First, if you tap on the two capital on the top left corner, you will see a choice of things you can do. You may choose to request a mobile website or a desktop website. You may also get a privacy report and see how many known trackers were prevented. I like this feature. You will be surprised who is most interested tracking you. I will show you how to use Translate on iOS 14. The easiest way is search for Translate. Next, tap on Translate app on the Translate app. You may choose the languages you want to translate to and/or from. For now, there are about 12 languages available, but I am sure that this list will grow over time. Next, just turn your phone to landscape and tap on the microphone button and say what you need translated.
¿Dónde está el baño?
It's that simple. I will show you how to set Apple TV widget on iOS 14. To add widgets on iOS 14, you need to tap on an empty space between apps on your screen. Next, on the upper right corner, tap on the plus icon to access the widgets. Find the Apple TV widget. And choose the size of the widget you prefer. I will choose the largest available. Next, you may place the widget wherever you like. Now, from the widget you may access Apple TV directly. It's that simple. I will show you how to activate 3D Touch or Haptic Touch on iOS 14. First, go to Settings app. Next, at Settings app, go to Accessibility. At Accessibility, tap on Touch. Now, on Touch, tap on 3D and Haptic Touch to toggle it to the on position. Now exit Settings. You may test and see that 3D Wear available and Haptic Touch are functioning. It's that simple. I will show you how to hide or show home screen pages on iOS 14. To do that, tap on blank wallpaper area to go to edit mode. Now you will see those page dots down below. Simply tap on those page dots, and it will bring up the ability to edit pages. This will allow you to show or hide a home screen page. As you can see, I have a blank home screen, and I want it to disappear. So all I have to do is just tap on it, and it will hide that first page. When you are done, tap Done on the upper right corner, exit Giggle mode, and you will notice that the blank home screen is now gone. If you decided to make a home screen page with apps disappear, the apps will automatically go to the app library. Nice and cool. I will show you how to do emoji search. There are so many emoji characters that sometimes it takes forever to find the one you need. The good news is that you can now search and find anything that is available very quickly. Go to the emoji keyboard, and next, simply go to the search emoji field and type the emoji you are looking for. Yes, just like that, you get all matching emoji characters. Isn't this awesome? Nice and cool. It's that simple. I will show you how to show or hide the hidden photo album on iOS 14. If you wish to hide some photos in a hide photo album, here is how to make it appear. Go to the Settings app. At the Settings app, scroll down and find Photos, and tap on it. Next, scroll down to Hidden Album and toggle to the On position. Now, if you go to the Photos app, and you look at the bottom, and you tap on Albums, at the very end of the list you will see Hidden. This is the hidden album with the photos you decided to hide. To make this option disappear, go back to the Settings app, scroll down and find Photos, and tap on it. Next, scroll down to Hidden Album and toggle to the Off position. When you visit back the Photos app, you will see that there is no hidden album. It's that simple. I will show you how to set precise location on Google Maps on iOS 14. On iOS 14, you may set specified apps with either approximate location support or precise location. If you need precise location on apps like Google Maps, here is how to make sure you have it set properly. To do this, go to Settings. At Settings, go to Privacy. Next, at Privacy, tap on Location Services. At Location Services, scroll down and find Google Maps on the list, and tap on it. Now, on Google Maps, you will see that there is a precise location option. Make sure it is toggled to the On position to get precise location information. Exit Settings, and you are all set. It's that simple. I will show you how to limit the photos you can share with other applications on iOS 14. If you want to limit or give no access of your photos to particular apps, here is how to do on iOS 14. Go to Settings, and at Settings, go to Privacy. At Privacy, go to Photos. At Photos, you will see a list of apps. Choose the app you want to limit or disable access from your photo library. Tap on the app you want to make changes, and then you will see 3 options. Select Photos, All Photos and None. The Select Photos allows you to limit access to some photos of your choosing. The other options are self-explanatory. I will show you how to leave iOS 14 beta and iPadOS 14 beta. Now that the final version of iOS 14 and iPadOS 14 are available, you might not want to install beta increments of iOS 14 or iPadOS 14. To stop updating betas, all you have to do is to go to Settings. At Settings, go to General. At General, scroll down to Profile. At Profile, find the iOS 14 beta software profile, and tap on Remove Profile. You will be asked to enter your passcode, and then simply restart your device. It's that simple. I will show you how to block app tracking on iOS 14 and iPadOS 14. Third-party apps installed on your iPhone or iPad are often capable of tracking your data across apps and websites owned by other companies for analytics and delivering personalized ads. In iOS 14 and iPadOS 14, when an app wants to track this data, you will get a pop-up asking for your permission. You can prevent apps from making this request and block all apps from tracking your data. Here is how. First, go to Settings. At Settings, scroll down to Privacy. At Privacy, tap on Tracking. At Tracking, tap on Allow apps to request a track to the On position. Exit Settings app. It's that simple. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.